probably pause this. Hello, so I do work today, so I'm going to kind of film my process for getting ready. I already ate. I just had like noodles, and then I also had a cup of coffee just to kind of keep me awake for work. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. This is like my apartment. It's nice and clean and reorganized. I love it. Yeah, so I need to go for a shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, and yeah. So we're gonna go do that. So I guess we'll go to the bathroom. Need anything over here? Maybe some music. Okay. So yeah, in the bathroom. Oh, sorry. So I reorganized my bathroom as well. You can see. Then I have like this thingy here. So yeah, we're gonna go for a shower. Back after, so shower. I got dressed already. God, it's dark. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the movie so it doesn't play in the background. 1 second. Right, so I still have to do the dishes in the bathroom. I will show you guys my fit, I guess. I don't think I can turn it around while filming, so 1 second. Alright, so this is my fit. So it's only like 8:11. I still have like 2 hours, so I'm just going to have another cup of coffee, some movies for a bit. I set up my bed as well, just so the cats can sleep on it while I'm away. I've been up since like 7, 8ish this morning, about. So I'm pretty tired. I didn't sleep all day. Yeah, so I'm gonna be extremely exhausted tomorrow, but I'm getting my internet and my TV hooked up tomorrow, so That's exciting. So I'm gonna stay awake for as long as I can. I guess I'll show you later how I do my hair for work, because I'm not gonna do any filming while I'm at my work because I just find it weird. And usually when I get there, I just kind of get ready and then head onto the floor and start working right away. I will film the process to get to work, and then also again after I'm off work on my way home. And yeah. Hi, Simba. How's it going? Look at you so handsome with your little collar. You good? So I have to put on my uniform, so we're gonna do that and these socks. So I'm just gonna put this on. Shirt check. Pants. I think I should went this way. And I'll show you how I do my hair for work. I'm not gonna do it now, but like I'm gonna put it up and show you. But yeah. So basically I just leave my bangs down because we wear hairnets, so I just tuck my bangs in. My bangs in the hairnet, and then I put my hat on when we're done. And then I just put my hat on. Once I wear my hairnet, like I wear my hairnet. Yeah, it looks weird. Anyways. Okay, so I got my purse. So we're gonna turn off this. Don't mind my glasses, they're still very taped. I'm getting new ones on Monday, or well, I'm going Monday to pick up some new ones. I don't know when I'll get them, but so I need to get into my uniform, or my jacket and stuff. Let me say goodbye to my kitties. Mikasa, gotta go. Bye-bye, I love you. Love you. Love you. Be dead. Okay. Got everything. I gotta turn off the bathroom lights. So dark. Okay. Alright. Here we go in the cold. Now on my break, I don't want to talk too loud because I don't want my coworkers to hear me filming, so yeah. I'll show you what I got. So I got a McDouble on a Big Mac bun and then a small Coke, and this will be my food for break. It's 6:23. Alright, so I just put on my blue Mario shirt and my green pajama pants. Now we're gonna go to the bedroom / living room because it's a bachelor. Yeah. Hi, Stella. No, tired baby. Hi, Mikasa. So now while I wait for, I might sleep for a bit, I don't know, but I'm gonna watch Harry Potter because I like Harry Potter. I don't know about you guys, but Goblet of Fire is probably my favorite one, so I really like watching that one a lot. Yeah, so I'm gonna watch Goblet of Fire and probably fall asleep, but I gotta wake up at 8 and stay awake until 12. Wait for the person to come to hook up my internet and my TV. So yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of clean up this area here so that way I can work in there better. So yeah, I'll see you all later.